Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to report somebody on Nextdoor.com. In order to do so, first off, you're going to want to make sure that you are logged in at Nextdoor.com, and once you are, then you're going to be looking through the feed to find whatever it is that you might be wanting to report. I'm just going to use this one as an example so you can see here that this was posted, and what we're looking for are the three little dots here at the top right hand corner of the post, and you can see that each post has those same three little dots. If you click on those dots, then you'll see that you have additional options, and here you'll see that you can report any post that you desire. So all you have to do is just click that and then go through the steps, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.